Okay, guys, so we're in a hotel room here in Atlanta, Georgia. We're on a business trip, and we're reviewing a place called Seaitaliano. And it's spelled like sea, like an ocean. S-E-A, Italiano, all one word. It's literally right down the street from the hotel. They just delivered the food. All right, first thing we're looking at is the buffalo wings, and I think we got an order of 10. You go as high as 20, you go as low as 5. And these look really good, so we'll give those a try in a minute. Okay, and then alongside our pizza and wings, we went with an, Americans call it an antipasta salad, and Italians call it an antipasto. So you can see how much, lots of pepperonis, lots of olives, lots of cheese, lots of ham. It's got a bunch of stuff, and it comes with like a Greek dressing. That looks fabulous. Okay, and here's the star of the show. Looks good. It's was this meat lovers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, bacon and ham and pepperoni and cheese and sausage. Looks great. All right, guys, the crust looks beautiful. Pizza smells great. There's tons of this salad I could eat just for dinner. The meat on here is very fresh. I don't know if I think that's turkey, but that pepperoni tastes good, the turkey tastes good, the bell peppers taste, everything tastes like it was just cut 2 minutes ago. Now, it's a little tiny, I don't know how it's gonna taste, but you know, this is a really, really small wing right there. These are the chickens we don't have running around in Nashville because we gotta make them hot, so we gotta get the bigger chickens. So let's try this out. Cooked good. Tastes good. Just a really tiny chicken. You know what? I realized I'm home right now. We're back from our trip, and I didn't review the end of that pizza place. That was I give the place like an A minus. I would have given it an A or an A plus if the chicken wings weren't so little. But the chicken wings were tiny. The salad was amazing. The pizza was good. Everything was good. They said 45 minutes. I think they were there 44 minutes. I mean, I like places that deliver and give you a timeline and they stick to it. I don't mind if you tell me it's an hour wait. Just show up in an hour. Don't show up in 90 minutes because that's more frustrating than ever. But the food was fresh. Really good. You can't go wrong. I'd steer away from those small wings. Everybody's having trouble getting normal size wings, so that's fine. So maybe that's like free range chicken or something. It's not pumped up with a bunch of stuff. So I don't know, but that's my take on it. Congratulations, A minus. You guys are great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.